What's up, y'all? So we're back on the water again in Louisiana this time and about to do this New Orleans abandoned fort tour. Now, we've never done this before. We're gonna check it out. You can only access it by water and hopefully it's gonna be pretty interesting. So why don't y'all come in right away with me? But one more thing before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell right next to it just so that you can get an alert whenever I upload videos. Now, let's go hit the water.
I know, that's what I do all the time.
Hey! Twinning. Look at that, look. All right, so we just made it to the boat launch. We've got quite a bit of twinning going on over here. It's beautiful, it's beautiful.
Yes, we
But-
have quintuplets.
Quintuplets, Karina said, ooh. So, I'll see y'all on the water. Are you ready for this ride, Karina?
Yes, most definitely.
Are you gonna go on to the forts and jump off the top?
No.
What? Man. Boys, Austin came out, right? The Bama Ski Riders. Oh, we got Alex. I finally got to, ride with this dude. Y'all gotta go check out his Instagram. Link is gonna be down below. He's got he's trying to stun on me this weekend with his modified GTX 300. And I'm gonna see what this ski can do. Let's see what JP Racing can do.
Love it.
I didn't get to meet you. What's your name? What's your name?
Tim.
Tim.
Yeah. We're from Bogalusa, about an hour and 10 minutes from here.
Nice, nice.
Last weekend, I started watching you on YouTube.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now about this ride till 10 o'clock last night.
Oh,
Wow,
shit.
that's
So,
nice.
I was up to 3 getting ready.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's awesome.
Well, welcome.
Yes.
Hey, nice rack, by the way.
Yeah.
And mount right there, the anchor mount.
We'll find our way back, no worries.
That's a projectile.
What's that?
His anchor.
Does he go fishing on that day?
Do we know you guys? Do we know you?
I think. Is it working?
Yeah. All right, so we're at the first fort. It wasn't too far away from the boat ramp. I mean, I could have swam over here, but I don't know. There's some big ass fish jumping out the water over here. No wonder there's freaking people swimming around. I mean, fishing. I mean, not swimming, fishing. What's the name of this fort, Karina? I mean, shoot, I'm gonna have to look it up. I'll put it in down below what the name is and maybe give you a little bit of a history on it, some information.
They catch crab.
I don't know. I don't think they're catching crab out here, but you never know. Let's see the depth finder. Let's go around. Oh shit.
What? My beach.
2.5 feet.
2.5.
That's young.
Can't go that way.
Look how cool that is.
The house?
Yeah. I was like, wow. What is that? Would you live up there? I mean, comment below. Do y'all think, would you live up there?
Why not?
I think it is on a hydro. No, it doesn't come down. Oh, there's stairs. There's stairs right there.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Dude, it's deep here. It's 94 feet.
Wow.
Yeah. guys. So we got another fort, but it's overtaken by I don't know what the hell, all that stuff.
Hey, lose.
Okay, we got a good depth here. The other way place was only 2 feet. We normally like cruise on the way there, but everybody hauls ass on the way back. You know when you and she goes, why? I go, to make sure that we have enough fuel. Yeah. Because if you burn all your fuel before then, you're like, damn it.
Yeah. I keep taking mine out of sport mode. I'll be riding, I was like, nobody's going fast. I'll slow down, take it out of sport mode, and like.
Yeah. Another fort. As you can tell, it's not really there anymore. I mean, it's just a pile of bricks now, but it used to be a fort. I actually looked this one up online. I'll give you more information down below if you want to know which fort this is. I mean, it looks like people are fishing around here, and then they're also looking at this.
There's a fish line.
Yeah, there's a fish line. I see that fish line right there. But also, what I was gonna say, that would be nice to just fish, you know, park your boat and fish over it, like off of it.
How you gonna disrespect that flag like that? You gotta fold it up.
I am. What do you, I'm trying to even.
I'm gonna wear it as a cape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuck it in on your shoulder.
She go like this.
Cape it, Avion.
When you're riding alone, not when you ride someone.
Yeah, you can ride.
Pilot's gotta wear it.
Yeah, I know. The passenger. Oh, this is Bill, guys. Bill, hold on. Bill installed his.
The finger, I saw that.
No, I was cleaning it. Bill installed his scum already. He's like, where's your scum? Did you install it? I was like, no, it's still sitting in the bag. But he's getting about 75. Was that on smooth water?
Yesterday.
Smooth
water yesterday. So, hey, we got 5 GTX limiteds out of here.
Yep.
We're gonna have to do a little
Kick us
stand-up.
off, Karina. Yeah, a little stand up. You gotta wait. You have to wait till I put the scum in tomorrow. Tomorrow.
That's an
Hey,
unfair
we'll
advantage.
have a little.
That's an unfair advantage.
Why?
If you put the scum in, then Karina's got to ride with you.
That's fine with me. Okay, but
Give you the weight of a
no,
man.
I don't want
okay. I think we're here at another fort. I don't know the name, but I will have the name for you guys. You know I will. But right now I was just racing Alex, one of the Bama ski riders. No, well, I wasn't really racing because I was like, oh, we got to make sure we have enough fuel to go home. So we don't ever start racing until the end. And then Karina, my passenger in the back, is just like, slow it down, slow it down.
Wow, is that my voice?
Yeah, slow it down. That felt like, my hands hurt. That felt like, remember when we were going to Panama City Beach?
Yeah.
That felt like somebody stole my joy.
How many more miles?
Oh. We're well over. We're like 2/3
Got some water.
Huh?
Water.
I don't know, the second loop is probably like 20 miles. This one was like 40.
Should I put fuel now?
I just hit half tank right just now. I mean, like, it wasn't there when I started talking to you.
Yeah, I'm like right, like 1 notch below half a tank. But my half a tank is smaller than your half a tank. So I finally got to meet this guy in person. We've been chit-chatting on Instagram for about over a year. Saw his post in Destin and had the same ski. I had to reach out to him. So how'd you like the ride today?
I loved it. Had a good time.
So y'all need to check out his Instagram page. Link will be right there, somewhere on the screen, right there. I was trying to go ride in the car, but damn, I wouldn't be extreme.